Transform your mobile navigation from static to stunning with captivating hamburger menu drop-down animations in Webflow. Let's dive into Webflow and build this ourselves. We'll start by selecting our hamburger menu element. This usually consists of 3 lines. Inside our hamburger menu, we have our 3 lines. We'll be animating these individually to create that smooth transition. Now head over to your interactions panel and we'll set up an element trigger. This trigger will activate our animation when the hamburger icon is clicked. We'll trigger this interaction on click and then choose to start an animation. Let's name this animation something descriptive, like hamburger open animation. Here in the animation canvas, we can see our 3 lines. Our goal is to transform the open state of these lines into a closed X shape when the menu opens. We'll begin with the first line. We're going to rotate it by 45 degrees, and at the end of our animation, we'll fade its opacity out. For the middle line, we want it to effectively disappear. We can achieve this by moving it upwards off screen and setting its opacity to 0. And finally, the third line will be rotated in the opposite direction by 45 degrees, and its opacity will also be faded out. Notice how Webflow automatically creates a smooth transition between these states now. When we click the hamburger icon, our lines will smoothly transform into that X. To complete the magic, we need a close animation. Simply duplicate your hamburger open animation and rename it hamburger close animation. Then reverse the order of your keyframes in the timeline. Now go back to your element trigger for the on-click out action. Select your hamburger close animation. And for the on-click in action, ensure your hamburger open animation is selected. And there you have it. A seamless, professional-looking hamburger menu animation that will instantly elevate your mobile user experience. Experiment with different easing options and durations to find your perfect flow.